Hey friends, I have a new recipe for you today. It is awesome. It's my easy bourbon chicken and fried rice recipe. And oh my God, it does remind you of hanging out at the mall and getting a nice plate. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, you guys, here are all the ingredients that I'll be using. I will also have all of the ingredients listed below, so no worries. I am thinning out my chicken breast, as you can see here, just so it'll be a little bit quicker cook and more even cook and not take so long to grill. So I'm seasoning all my chicken on both sides with granulated garlic, granulated onion, paprika, a little bit of Cajun seasoning, black pepper, and salt. I will take some olive oil and I will rub it on the chicken and get it all covered all over. So anyway, you guys, while I'm doing all of this, make sure you go ahead and subscribe if you have not. Hit the thumbs up button so that YouTube knows I'm here. So now I'm putting the chicken on my indoor, not on my indoor grill, but I'm using a Ninja grill. So I'm putting the chicken in there. It's actually gonna cook for 10 minutes. I'm gonna flip it over and I'm gonna grill it on the other side. Look how beautiful that chicken is, you guys. You have waited for absolutely nothing. You wanna make sure your chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165. So anyway, in my pan, I've added in some garlic butter. And to that, I'm gonna be adding the following ingredients: some ginger paste, some hoisin. I used a little bit of oyster sauce as well. I split the hoisin and the oyster sauce in half. I used some dark brown sugar, some bourbon, some ground ginger, some ginger paste, some soy sauce. I lit a little bit of rice wine vinegar, some dark soy, some crushed red peppers to give it a little heat. You don't have to add that if you don't want it, but you know, heat never hurts anybody. And then I will let all of this cook down into a boil. And as it cooks down, it should thicken up, but if you don't want to wait for it to thicken up, you can always do a slurry of cornstarch and water, and then that will thicken, that will also thicken it up a little bit faster. But me, I've got my little whisk out there and I'm just whisking it because I want to make sure all of those little pastes did break down. So now I'm cutting all this wonderful grilled chicken down to bite-sized pieces, and then I'm going to add all of this back to that wonderful, wonderful sauce. So now I'm going to stir this up, and guess what, you guys? Once this is all coated in that wonderful bourbon sauce, it is done. I don't want it to rest in here, so I'm going to take it out and I'm just going to leave the remainder sauce to the side that can be added to your rice if you want it, or add more to your chicken, your dish later on, but I don't want it to sit in there for a long period of time. So anyway, here we go. Now in this pan, we're going to make the fried rice. So I'm starting out with my onions and some olive oil. I just added in the garlic. And now I've added in the cooked rice. For the umami taste, which brings it all together, I added in a little bit of chicken bouillon. You guys don't know how that makes a difference. So adding a little bit of chicken bouillon, I'm adding in the soy, I'm adding in some more garlic butter. I don't know why the garlic butter just makes the rice taste that much better. But anyway, I add in the garlic butter, I'm adding in a little bit of green onions, and then I'm going to add in some mixed vegetables. So I'm going to stir that around for a little while they're frozen. So add in your vegetables. And so then, I'm adding in a little bit of black pepper. I'm going to toss this all together. And then I'm going to make a little well in the middle of it, and I'm gonna add in my eggs. So you guys, again, if you have not hit the thumbs up button, I need you to go ahead and press that, because your girl got you a double video going on right here, a double video. Anyway, so there's my little well. I meant to put a little bit of oil down there, but I forgot. So I'm just gonna add it on top. So I want 3 eggs in my fried rice, you guys. So if you only want 2 eggs or no eggs, you know how to take out what you don't want. So anyway, I'm adding in a little bit of oil. I'm gonna scramble this right here in the middle of this fried rice. And then once it is all done, or it's turned into a nice little scramble, I'm going to actually mix it all in together once it's all done. And then guess what, you guys? Add a little bit of sesame oil, but be careful with your sesame oil, because if you add too much in there, it's gonna not taste that great. So just add a little bit in there for your taste, or you can just not add it in there at all. You know, it's not gonna make it or break it, but you know, it does give it a little bit of extra pop when you add a little bit more sesame seed oil in there. So anyway, you guys, this fried rice really is just done. I'm just mixing it all together. And guess what? The next step is I'm going to make a wonderful plate for you. That's the finished fried rice. Now all together, here's your bowl, or here's your plate, you guys. This is an awesome dish. It will remind you, like I said, of going to the mall. I want to thank you for watching. Leave your comments. And as always, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.